Hello, hi, and welcome to Maxafter's another exciting product tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll give you overview about this product as in how to change colors, text, and some other tips as well. So are you guys ready? Let's start the tutorial. Well, first thing first, this is the control panel, the project panel. Here you can see the first folder. It says catalog preview only. So you just open it up and you can watch all the popular compositions that I have created. For example, if you want to go to HUD interfaces, I've got all the HUD interfaces, like 5 of them, so I've displayed them there, so you can very easily scrub through the timeline and watch how they look, and then you can select the one that you like. For example, if you want to select the second one, what you can do is you can double click and it'll take you to the file and to the composition itself. And also what you can do is you can right click and you can say reveal layer in source project, so it'll take you to the folder of HUD interfaces screen. You've got all 7 of them lined up, right, which are here. So among them you can also one by one go through them and see how they look with all their layers, and you can also of course turn off layers and keep the ones that you like, and shut the eyes of the ones that you don't like, and also you can change many things in it that you want. And the other thing is then HUD games. Similarly, you can go and watch the HUD games. Right now it says your photo video 4. Of course you will be putting your own warriors pictures in it. Best is to cut them out and then you can put them there, right? Similarly, you have got the controllers composition, and then you've got the assets. Not all of the assets are here. I've just put the main ones here. For example, the targets, there are 64 of them, so you can very easily select the ones that you like. You can scrub through them and just copy the ones that you like. For example, if you like this one, select it. It says target 05, right click and reveal layer in the source project, so it'll take you directly to that. So basically it's a catalog, and it's easier for you guys to see the elements where they are located, right? So this is basically catalog, and you can't change things. You don't want to change things in here, it's just for basically for previewing purposes only. That's it, right? And then you go to edit comps, and in here you go to color and double click, and this is basically one of the projects. I've put it in here to display, just to see how the colors look when you change them. For example, if you go and press E, it will reveal the colors in it, and this is the main color. Basically you can just go and change the colors to the colors that you want, right? So you can see instantly the color has been changed. And the other one color is, I think it's white color, which is mostly used, which is number 7 or number 5, I guess. Yeah, so you can change this color as well. You can see the color has been changed, so instantly all the colors have been changed. So once you do that, it means it has changed the color for all of the comps, right? So if you go and see, you can see that the color has been changed completely for all of them, right? Now you don't want to change through this. What you can do, I've got another system here inside the comp, right? For example, if this is the comp that we change the color, for example, if you go to the final, and I go to the HUD, and here I want to override the main final color. So I open it up and I open the main color, and here what I'm going to do is open the color panel, this one, and I just check this box here, right? And now you can change the color to any color that you like, right? But if you don't check this box, and if you try to change color, it won't overwrite, because it's been controlled by the global color system. So now if you want to change individually colors for comps, they have got their own color system in there. So all you need to do is just open it up and then select this, and overwrite for everything, you know, that you want, right? So basically this is how you can change the color. Let me just put it back to normal, and then if I go here and I can change the colors back to the normal colors, right? So if you go to color 5 as well and change this to white, basically these are normal colors, right? So this was about colors, and the next thing is images. Of course, all the images are being so if you go to the ones that has images in it, for example the HUD Game Warriors, so this one has got some images in it. Say 03, it says 03 simply, right? So you go direct to the edit images and click 003, and then of course you import your own image. File, import file. If you bring in your image, for example this one, and make sure it's centralized, and press S on your keyboard and make it smaller or something like that, you know, so it's centralized, and you can turn off the placeholder in the back or delete it. It's up to you, right? And then you go back to the HUD screen, you see that has been changed. If it's not correct, if the head is chopped or something else, then of course you can go back to edit the picture that we just edited, right? I think it was 3rd, yeah. Similarly you can add more other pictures as well if you like. For example, if I add this one, and you can go here and right click and replace footage, and when sometimes you click, make sure the PNG sequence is not checked, right? And then you can see it's there, right? And then if you go back to the HUD Warrior, you'll see the image has been changed. That's how easy it is, you know. And similarly, if you go and watch the other ones, right? So this has got a lot of pictures in it. Picture 14, similarly change it. Just go to 8, 9, 10 and just overwrite them. For example, if you go to 8 and the 8 is here, and I'll import the picture. We just did import the picture, so I'm going to use that one as well. Let me just use this one again. And see, you need to place it in the middle, right? Or somewhere here. And then if you go back to, you see that it has been changed here, right? So still, if it's not in the middle, you can bring it in the middle, right? Bring it a little bit down. So now it's in the middle, right? So that's how simple it is, you know, change colors and all that, you know, and pictures all are exactly numbered with graphic cards in it, you know. So all you can do is just replace them. That's it. Okay, and other thing is that you want to do is, for example, if you go to HUD interface, and this is the main interface HUD like I created, and of course it has got a background as well, so you can turn off the background, right? Because if you want to put something behind it, then you need to turn off the background, right? Otherwise it won't show. So for example, if I make another comp out of it, for example this one, and then I import a picture, for example this one, and I put it in the back, it won't show because it has got a background. You just turn it off, and then if you go there, it's showing now, right? So that's how easy it is, right? And also what you can do is, if you go back, and there are so many of gadgets I've got, and this is the main gadget. For example, if you select it, the main gadget, if you turn it off, this is the main gadget, right? Now you want to overwrite it. So for that, if you go to if you right click and reveal the layer in the source, it will take you to the folder from where I've picked up these. So you can use this one, for example. If you don't want this HUD, you can just select it, press Alt on your keyboard and drag and drop. So the new HUD is instantly replaced. Similarly, like that, right? Similarly, you can just keep on changing and see which one fits your project, right? And also, I've got HUD hero gadgets. You can replace with them as well, you know, like this one. So this is a good trick that you can use for the interfaces and change and create your own HUD interface. You know, it's basically, there are 7 of them, but you can change and reuse and multiply them. For example, you want to change the look of this, then you go and select, this is the main one, right? And let's say I want to change this with another target or gadget. So it's completely changed now. You can see that your HUD has completely changed, right? Or you can change it with this one, or with this one, right? So that's how you keep changing them till you to get the best one that you like. So very straightforward and simple, easy to use. Now, and then you've got all the assets here, and of course I've created all these bigger HUDs and shapes with these little things that I have got here, you know, all lined up, and you can see that you can reuse them and create your own HUD. For example, if I go and create a new file, and what I'm going to do is just put in a few things in here. If I delete this one, and let's see how it looks. Press S on your keyboard, and let me just drag this one as well, and then drag this one as well. So it creates a new HUD, completely new HUD, right? So it depends how you want to create it. So basically there's a new one created. So you can create countless new HUDs with it, you know. It's basically a very simple idea. Right? Alright, so you can create more if you like. So that's how, you know, you can create your own HUD as well, right? And then you've got other assets as well that you can reuse them, and you've got promo as well that I created, that's included. Yeah. Of course the sound is not included because it's licensed, so not pictures, and the sound is not included. So the rest of the things are here, and then we've got assets, we've got 3D objects as well, you know, like these ones that you can use, right? So that's how simple it is. So I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Once again, my name is Shweb Khan from Max After. Thank you for watching.